Meet Martin. Martin is 32 years old. He did everything right. He studied hard. He graduated with honors. He landed a prestigious corporate job. He makes good money. From the outside looking in, Martin looks like the definition of success. But every Sunday night, he feels a heavy knot in his stomach. Martin is tired. He knows a frightening truth. If he stopped working tomorrow, his savings would barely last a few months. Why? Because Martin spends 40 hours a week building his boss's company. He pays a large part of his income in taxes, and whatever is left goes straight to the bank. Martin has a great profession, but he does not have a business. This is the reality for millions of people. And this leads us to the third lesson from the book: mind your own business. Most people confuse their profession with their business. If you ask someone, "What is your business?" they usually answer, "I'm a banker," or "I'm an engineer." But they don't own the bank. They don't own the engineering firm. They just work there. Your profession is what pays your bills today, but your business is the asset column that will feed you tomorrow. Wealthy people don't rely on one skill. They build assets. This doesn't mean quitting your job tomorrow. It means you stop using every paycheck just to survive and start using part of it to build something that can survive without you. Stocks, income-producing real estate, intellectual property, or your own online project. The difference between the rich and everyone else is not how much they know about their profession. It's how much they understand money. Financial freedom comes from owning the system, not just working inside it. So here is the real question. While you are working so hard to make someone else rich, when are you going to start building your own blueprint for freedom? If this idea made you stop and think, then you are in the right place. On this channel, we take ideas from books and translate them into real life. Subscribe if you want to think differently about money, work, and freedom.